Creating a piece for a client can seem a little daunting, so I tend to send proofs out, and so we can confirm the style and the layout that they would like. And then once I'm working, I've already thought through meaning from the words. So with this one, it's lovely words that you don't own your children, you send them forward ahead of you. So his, as in God, and they, as in the children, I've pulled out to become a stronger colour than the gold, this kind of bluey tone. And then every time I write the word you, which represents the parent, I use a silver, which is slightly recessive. So they're sort of standing back, and the they and his are standing forward. The guard sheet that you see me working with is there partly to protect from my hands touching the paper, partly there to keep my lines straight. Using simple ideas like this makes your calligraphy not just a poem written out, but more of an artwork. It's got an added dimension.